Hey guys, I'll be playing with the Genie Accelerator right now, today. I just rigged up some simple stuff, some silly stuff. Be interesting to watch, see it on video. Alright, boom. Boom. Boom, light turned off. Fantastic. This baby is working. And what happens if I set off the sensors? Oh. Oh yeah. One more time. Go all the way down. Ah. Oh, my toys. So this is about the speed that the unit goes. And this is actually the first pass where I didn't hit the sensors. So now you should see it going a little bit quicker. And let's put that micro machines back on there. Oh yeah, hit the button again. Oh. Oh, I'm falling over way faster now that it knows what it's doing. So, okay. It's got a logic board in there, and it's got some digital components, and so it calibrates the speed based on the weight. And it's like right now it's closing the door, but that would be why it would go slow. And then, you know, since it's done a complete cycle since being turned on, now we can let our little car fly. Fly, little car, fly far away. Hit that button. Sweet.